Olá Gente Querida, tudo bem? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Matiza and today's video is going to be how to look expensive while shopping inexpensive. How to be bad and bougie, honey, while shopping on a budget. Okay? Most people don't have the funds to spend crazy money just to look A1. Me. Myself. However, it is still possible to shop inexpensive and look A1. Okay. On my channel, I try my best and I'm still trying my best to advocate this fashion lifestyle, this fashion idea of just looking expensive while shopping on a budget. Via my OOTDs, my fashion lookbooks, etc. My mother introduced me to this fashion lifestyle when I was really young, of shopping cheap, which best accommodates for our wallet, while still being able to look amazing. Her goal was to instill the idea that you can still look beautiful, you can still look like a celebrity, like a star, while shopping cheap and spending accordingly to what you can afford, and most importantly, not looking like what you are going through. That idea, that last part, is crucial to me just because it teaches me honestly how to make a banana, beautiful banana bread, right, out of banana peels and breadcrumbs. And I feel like this idea, even outside of fashion, will take me a long way. So, obrigada, mãe. So I will share with you guys my tips to this wonderful fashion lifestyle. But before, yep, you already know what time it is. I'm gonna need you to subscribe. You made it this far. I mean, you know you want to watch the video. You know what? You want to be coming back. Why not subscribe? Join the Matiza fam. We have so much fun around here. So now that you have subscribed, let's get into this video. My first tip is to definitely consider your old clothes. Do not throw away your old clothes. I'm telling you, my closet is consisted of my old clothes. I always try my best to mix my old clothes with my new ones. You might be looking at your old clothes and be like, oh my god, this is out of date. But nothing is truly out of date, y'all. All the trends that you're seeing now have already been done before. The fanny pack, these off the shoulder looks, these styles have already been done before and they're coming back. So some of these trends that will come back may be consistent in your old clothes, and you can be a trendsetter, honey. Do not discard your old clothes. My second tip, this is literally the foundation. You have to establish affordable outlets and stores. So where I shop at mostly is the thrift store, Ross, and Marshalls. Literally, these three main outlets are my life, especially the thrift store. I have those three. The thrift store is where I'm at, and I love the thrift store. Even though it's secondhand clothing, look, there's a washer and dryer. I'm gonna make it work, okay? So my three main affordable outlets are not the only outlets out there. There is Walmart, there is Rainbow, there is your local boutique. But be careful with these local boutiques because some of them be overpricey. So definitely just keep that in mind. Whatever you think really accommodates best for you and your wallet, go to that store. So now that you have your affordable outlets and stores that you will go to, my third tip is to get inspired and write down what you are planning to buy. I always do this tip. See, okay, so I'm on Instagram just being inspired by the world's fashion, and I see, okay, oh, I want to get biker shorts, and I write down my list, biker shorts or like jeans, whatever. And then before I go to the store, I have that list in my hand and I'm walking to the store and I'm just focusing on what is on my list. This will save you so much time and so much stress. Writing what you want down before going to the store will literally help you. My fourth tip with these outlets, again, yes, these are affordable outlets, but we really want to get our money's best worth. Even though we're not spending that much, we are still worthy of getting the most out of our money, okay? What I do, I'm thinking in my head, when I buy my clothes, my main destination is a thrift store. When I buy shoes, I will consider Marshalls and Ross, because at these Marshalls and Ross stores, I'm telling you guys, you can get brand name shoes. Even at the thrift store, you get thrift store. I found like a Timberlands, I found Asics, so many brand names, and Ross and Marshalls, y'all. I found Doc Martens at Ross, and I was like, I think it was around the $15 to $20 because I got it like about 5 years ago, but I can definitely make a separate video on that about buying luxurious things for such an affordable price at these affordable outlets. Let me know if you guys want that. Like, I don't just go to Ross to get like a lot of clothes, because Ross is affordable, but the clothes, if you don't be careful about how you spend at Ross, you can literally overflow your budget real quick. So that's why when I go to Ross and Marshalls, I say, okay, I'm gonna go there to get a certain thing, or like to get shoes, or like whatever. But then if I go to thrift store, clothes, you know. So you definitely want to divide what you're going to buy at each affordable outlet. My fifth tip is so crucial, okay? You need to put your clothing pieces together wisely. This is totally up to you. This is totally up to your fashion sense. Whatever makes your heart happy, do it. Do this tip however you feel like it. You can mix and match. Again, as I said in the beginning of this video, you can mix your old clothes and new clothes, which something that I've always done and will always do. And it's okay to repeat clothes. Honey, I repeat my clothes literally every single time. My friend's like, oh, I never see you repeating clothes. I'm like, yo, I repeat my clothes, okay? Literally, I have this one skirt piece that I got from the thrift store, and I always wear that skirt probably 2 times a week. It's just so amazing. So it's okay to definitely repeat your clothes. There's no shame in that. It's your clothes, it's you. You bought it, you own it. That's your stuff. You can do whatever you want with it. My sixth tip is definitely accessorize. Accessories can make your outfit 10 times better. So for example, if you're wearing a hoodie, right? You're wearing a hoodie, it's kind of basic, right? But if you pop on some like nice pearl earrings, or like some beautiful rings, or like a watch, or some hoop earrings, yo, you will look expensive, I promise you. So it's just a matter of making the best out of a situation. Sunglasses, yo, sunglasses are my thing. I love wearing sunglasses. They make your outfit look like money. Okay, where I get my accessories from, again, with the whole categorizing where you get each of your fashion things from, I get my accessories from Forever 21. I get my sunglasses from Forever 21. Sunglasses range from $5 to $7, which is really good. The jewelry, now I sometimes be careful with the jewelry, because it can be one ring and it'd be like $5. I'm like, I try to get like a set that comes with like 5 rings for about like $4. You know, that way I'm getting my money's worth. If you find accessories literally any place that you really love, go for it. Like, it's just a matter of finding your flow with this fashion lifestyle and getting used to it and feel like you are $1 million, and that's literally your worth. My last important tip is the deal breaker for all the tips I said, okay? You have to be confident in the clothes that you wear. No matter if you're wearing a hoodie, or no matter if it's final season and you like literally rolled out of bed to study, you walk like $1 million still, bro. What's poppin'? Of course, don't allow this confidence aspect to turn into cockiness, because that's not cute. It's okay to look at yourself in the mirror and be like, yo, I'm poppin'. That's normal. That is what is encouraged nowadays, okay? Literally, you can be wearing a trash bag, literally. But if you have that confidence, honey, who is going to stop you? Who is going to tell you otherwise? Who? Alright. Yeah? What's up? You know, like, just that vibe to every outfit. Each outfit that you own, that you wear it with that $1 million confidence. You don't want to walk like this. Who's going to believe you? Who? You have to walk like you're worth, honey. You walk however you feel confident, you know? Back straight, chin up. What's up? In conclusion, I just want to say this fashion lifestyle is nothing to be ashamed of. You are doing what's best for you and your future and your wallet, while still looking A1, while still looking like a star. This fashion lifestyle of shopping cheap and shopping inexpensive, yet still looking amazing, looking A1 and looking like a star and looking like mwah, okay, mwah. This lifestyle makes me feel like I'm living a lavish lifestyle. Like, you just have to make the best out of your situation. That is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more videos. Join the Matiza fam. We have so much fun around here. And yeah, may God bless you. Stay fabulous. Stay fierce. Mwah. Tchau, queridas.